A lot of people ask me, how do I balance my salon schedule versus my freelance schedule? So I would say it's all about scheduling. Okay, it's all about scheduling and balancing out your time. I'm in the salon Tuesday through Friday, and I freelance every other day in between. And really, it's just about letting your clients know, in advance by way of newsletters, a lot of communication, letting them know, I'm out these days, or hey, I'm in next week. So for me, it's all about the calendars, scheduling, and being in heavy communication with your customers. That's really important. And because I do like both, I do let my clients know by way of newsletters that both are just important to my career. For me, it's all about scheduling and balance. I would say that's the key. Scheduling your life in a way where you can do both things that you love.